Voila! Hello guys, welcome to Go Digital Masterclass. Today we'll continue from where we stopped in our last class. What we discussed in the last class is how to create a page, how to give your page a category, then how to add profile picture, cover photo, then how to interact as another person on your page to see the way your page appears to people. So what we'll be looking at today is how to customize our page to appear gorgeous, to look very okay, and do some other settings on it. Anyway, my name is Kamaldin Alonle and I will be your digital marketing coach for now. So what we're looking at now is, firstly, we are going to change the way our page appears, because this is the default settings. So all you need to do is, once you are on the page, okay, how do you locate the page? Maybe when next you want to come on board, or you want to visit the page again and again. All you need to do is, once you are on your Facebook account, once you log on your Facebook on your computer, then you need to look at this menu lists. If there is no page on this list, click on see more. If you can't still get pages here, you should be able to see pages. If pages is not here, I can see my own here. I'm just showing you. In case pages is not here, then you need to just come to this angle, then click on pages. You will surely find it here. If you can't get it here elsewhere, you should be able to put facebook.com/pages, then you'll be able to get your pages. So since I have it here, so there's no need to bother myself on using that method. So once you have it here, you can see this is my personal profile, and this is Go Digital Masterclass, which is taking you right now, the academy that is taking you right now. So this is a page I created for a politician, and it's going day by day. And so this is our Kings and Queens boutique. So that's what we are going to click on now. So now we are now on Kings and Queens. Don't forget, this will come up often and often. Just close it. We'll get to that level as time goes on. So now the first thing we are going to do now is we are going to change the kind of tab, or let me say the theme we are using on our page. So all you need to do is click on edit tabs. Then you can see current template is standard. So click on edit. Now it will show you different kind of templates, different kind of theme. You can see we have the one for business, we have venues, we have non-profit, political, services, public figures, and so on and so forth. So what I'm going to click on is shopping. Yes, shopping. So all I'm going to, you can see this is what shopping is going to come with. You have event, review, photos, shops, and so on. Then click on apply template. I've applied my templates. Now once you apply it, go back to your page. Click on page. So don't forget, this will surely come up. Just close it as usual. So now you can see there are some changes here now. So all I need to do is click on this menu again, then click on edit tab. Now by editing tab, the first thing I want people to see immediately after home is shop, because don't forget, I'm dealing with e-commerce now, so I want people to see store first. So I'm going to move that shop at the top. Then event, I don't really have any much event I will be doing on the page. I don't even have any event I'll be doing on the page, since at the end of the day it's just selling online or getting people to come to my shop to pick or something like that. So anyway, I can still leave the event. Then review. Review is good for this kind of template, because you want people to tell people about your business, how your customer service is okay, how the product they buy on your page is okay, how another things. So I'm going to turn off all this. Then I'm going to actually move offers. Where is offer? I'm going to move offer just right below shop, because you are dealing with business, and there are some parts that you will be talking about offering some discounts, like discount stuff and other things. So after that, I'll put review before events. Events can actually represent, maybe you want people to come to your physical store to buy product at large or at large quantity. That's very good because that also helps you to engage more customers. So after that, I'm going to move about. All this one that doesn't have any button, it means you cannot turn them off. But this one that has buttons, you can turn them off, you can turn them off, you can turn them off. So lastly, photos and videos should be right after one another. Then what again? I think that's all. So by doing all these things, they are getting there by, they are actually taking effects automatically the moment you are moving them, because once you move one particular aspect to one particular side, you'll be able to see one particular notification showing at the bottom here. Now if I turn on this live videos for my page, let me turn it on, you'll be able to see something at the bottom here. You can see now includes a live tab. So after that, click on this page name, your page name here, then you'll be able to see your page again. Can you tell Facebook to stop showing me that message? So now what next do we need to do? On a normal level, Facebook is going to recommend all this information, so I would like us to actually follow it to some extent. So the first thing is establish your identity. You can see I've completed about 4 of 13 steps that Facebook is going to recommend for any business to gain special attention online. Add profile picture, I've done that, completed. Page name, category, cover photo, profile picture, it has been completed. So I've completed step 1. So step 2, they are asking me, this is the next step rather. Add website. I don't have websites for now. Add location. If you have your physical location, add it. If you don't have a physical location, then leave it. Well, for the purpose of the class, I'm going to add a physical location. In case you want to come to our physical office, just visit us at. So I'm just going to add my office phone number. Nigeria. Select your country, Nigeria, then put your phone number. That aspect that is asking you for your phone number is no longer available. Then they are asking us to add a button. That button is going to reflect here. You can decide to add it there, or you can decide to add your button here. So I'm going to add the button here. So what I'm going to add, the button I'm going to add is shop now. If I put shop now, they're going to ask for my website. So we'll get to this part later. So now the next thing we'll be looking at is how to list our products on Facebook. I want to make it fast. How to list our products on Facebook shop. So how you are going to do that on that shop is what we'll be looking at in our next class. So see you in the next class. I remain my humble self, Kamaldeen Alomole. Bye bye.